Hello, welcome back to the channel. This week we're going to do 6 Scotch eggs. And no, they weren't invented in Scotland. They were actually invented in a department store in London called Fortnum and Mason's in Piccadilly, which incidentally was my mum's favourite store. Anyway, let's follow the recipe, see how we do, and we'll taste them later. First of all, get some eggs and boil them for 3 minutes. Once they're done, plunge them into ice cold water to stop them cooking. Now, let's prepare the rest. Here I'm chopping some chives and some fresh thyme. Also, I put in some mixed dried herbs as well. For the meat surrounding the eggs, I'm using the meat from some sausages that I made. They're already got lots of seasoning in them, so they're really good for this purpose. If you don't have that, buy some mince and season that for yourself. Add the herbs and a good amount of pimento. I'm using the spicy one. This gives the casing a real zing. Now, a good dollop of Dijon mustard and give it a good mix. Now, peel your eggs, but be very careful not to break them. They're really delicate. Get 3 bowls with flour, egg, panko breadcrumbs. Take some of the mixture into your palm and keep your hands wet to prevent the meat sticking to your hands. Place the egg in the middle and form it into a ball. Right, now roll this first into the flour, then the egg, and then the breadcrumbs. Place these into the fridge for 30 minutes to firm up. Get your oil up to 180 degrees and deep fry these for 2 minutes. Then place them into the oven for 10 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. This will cook the inside really soft and the outside really golden. And look at that, they're done, and that's the money shot. This recipe is not Jamie Watsit's, Gordon Ramsay Bob's or Heston Blumenbum's. It's mine. Please feel free to share. Right, well, the results speak for themselves. Look at that lovely runny Scotch egg. It really is a treat. I've made some mayonnaise to go with it. This is mustard mayonnaise with some chives and a little bit of Spanish pimento on it. And I'm really going to enjoy this. Please try to make this recipe. All you've got to be careful of is that you don't squash your eggs when you do it. I'm sure you'll enjoy these as much as I will. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Please join me again for the next one. Thanks again, Jack, for all your filming and editing, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.